Welcome to TDE 2024. How's your day been going?
Pretty good so far. We're showing a lot of new products, and yeah, it's a good show so far.
Awesome, great to hear. Well, we're glad you're here. Is this your first show?
No, so this is actually my 6th ISN show.
Awesome, so welcome back. We love to have visitors come back to us because I think they had a great experience.
Yes.
So you were at our press tour last night and demoed a few new products that we got here. I was wondering if you could tell us why you feel it's important to launch a new product at TDE.
Oh, to always do a product launch in person, especially at shows like this, is extremely valuable because one, you can see from the end of the mobile dealer, they're the ones that work directly with the customers, so we get to learn, hey, this is what's in demand, this is what people need, and they're the closest thing we can get to actually talking directly to the end user of a product. So we learn what's in demand. So we learned about the product, but not just about the product, how to sell said product, whether it's regarding packaging or how to bring it to market, whether it's product videos or email blasts or whatever it may be.
Awesome. I'm glad it's an educational experience as well as the sales opportunity for you. So of the products that you demoed, do you have a favorite you'd like to share with us?
Yes, so we actually have 2 products. As you can see right over here, if you want to zoom down on those guys, that's what I showed yesterday. Those are our knock sensors. So those are very popular in the market, especially for heavy-duty applications, because every 50 or 60,000 miles, you have to replace those sensors. And every time you pull them off, it's what they're called soot sensors. They need to be chamfered or cleaned, the threads, and that's what those allow you to do. So they're quick, they're durable, and they'll last for many, many years to come. On top of that, we also have over there, it's our recording stethoscope cable. It's that thing right there in the white cable. It looks like an iPhone charge unit. Yep, so that is used with a stethoscope recording device. The idea is we actually have a product video playing back there. When you use it with the stethoscope recording cables, it connects to that and then connects directly to your cell phone. So that whatever that is recording on the vehicle records directly to your cell phone, so that then the technician could relay the information to the end user or the customer of the vehicle, so that they can say, hey, so-and-so noise is because you have a ball bearing going bad or whatever it may be. Or it's communicating to a manager or whatnot. So that's another great product we have. And then if we swing far over here, we also have, excuse me, Michael, I'm doing a little video here.
Sorry.
We also have our electric brake bleeder tool. So this is actually our prototype that we're showing right now. We just launched this. I believe just on Monday will be officially launched. So it's a few days early. But this is our full brake bleeder tool. And this allows you to pressurize an entire system and basically just do a full brake service from beginning to end without any hiccups. And it's a smart system. It auto levels the brake fluid. And yeah, it is a great product video that demonstrates the tool in action, as well as a lot more cool safety features that this provides over competitors on the market.
Awesome. So not only do we have just hit the market, but we got hot off the presses and about to hit the market. Yeah. That's really exciting.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, I thank you for your time, and we hope you have a fantastic show.
Thank you.
That we'll see you for 7th year next year.
Yes.